And the race is on. Witness in Manila from the outside is Livelihood. Queen of Class, Bersua. On the further outside is Makisig, Fields of Gold. Down on the inside is Luna Rosa. Then comes Si Senor and Tarlac. Nearing the far turn, Livelihood by ahead. Witness in Manila down on the inside. And racing third by some 4 lines, Bersua. And at the far turn, Livelihood. This time by Alenken up. Witness in Manila. Bersua getting closer in third than Makisig as they race the final corner. Livelihood by Alenken up. Witness in Manila by Daryl. Bersua is on the outside. And nearing the last 100 meters more to run. Livelihood, Bersua is on the outside. It's now Bersua, Livelihood. And nearing the finish line, number 7, Bersua, Livelihood. Witness in Manila, Queen of Class, and Makisig for your Pentafecta.
Okay, 7th